Welcome to Nerd Online YouTube channel. Here we are going to focus on how to create a good thumbnail. There's a way to create a good thumbnail using Canva. This is Canva. I already log in. So as you all you gotta do first, if you don't know what Canva means, Canva, it is a website that allows you to create thumbnail for your YouTube video. It allows you to create a video also. It also allows you to create a video for your mobile phone and for computer. For computer, it allows you to create it is 1920 by 1080, which is a computer format, and for mobile format it allows you to create 1080 by 1920, which is the mobile format. So here we are going to create a thumbnail in this 1920 by 1080 YouTube's image cover. So what we're gonna do to create a good thumbnail, we need to look for the title that we are looking for. So first, let me simply look for a background, a good background, or I can simply look for any background at all. So this, I will put the description below in case you want to you want to design one. Okay, so okay, in here we can create a text. You can put a text. Let me call it how to monetize YouTube videos. Okay, so let me simply do this. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I will simply okay, this picture of mine right here, I am going to snapshot it because it is the one that I want to use as a thumbnail. So okay, here let me simply look for something called snip tools. We have one here. Let me look for it. We have this one called snipping tools. This one, okay, let me bring it. Yeah, I think you can see it right here, this one. So this, okay, so this is the one. Let me try to put this thing at this side. Okay, okay, so this one, it is the picture which I already snapped, all right, from the video. So what I'm gonna do, I will simply have to copy this picture from this snipping tools. So I will go direct to edit and copy. I don't have to do anything, so I simply have to copy this, and then we need to go to this thing called there is a website called removal.io. so what we have to do, I already removed the background of this, but I will show you from the start. So it does not need you to log in or do anything from this. All you gotta do simply paste or upload the video, the photo that you want to remove the background. So let's wait for this. Okay, so this is what we have. So within here we are going to click okay, simple, let's go there. It said upload an image to remove the background. I don't have to upload anything. I copy already the picture like I show you already from this snipping tools. I have to go to edit and then copy, all right, up there, and then I have to go to the website, this website called removal.ai. so I will simply paste Ctrl and V on this place. So this is the one. So now it is trying to process to remove the background. It is doing the job. Well done. So this is what we have. It is already been edited, online editing. As you can see, the background, it is PNG background. So what we're gonna do, we are going to download this picture right here. Okay, remember the image size is 640 by 10482. So this one right here, which is smaller, it doesn't have any good quality. But if you want to download the quality, you need to be a premium to use it. So I don't have to do that. So I need that normal 640 by 10 by 483. So I have to download this, and we're gonna see. Okay, now I already download it. Is right here, show in folder. Okay, it is under this folder right here, this one. So what I'm gonna do next is going direct into Canva, this Canva right here, and then I will simply have to bring in the picture which I already removed the background. So I will simply paste it right here like this, and wait, where this is the one that we have. So now it is still uploading. Okay, here we have to do something here. Okay, let me put this thing at the side. Okay, now what we're gonna do here, we have to simply increase the size and put it right there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this thing up there, but it is not yet over, right? So because we need to put some thing that can make it look a bit better, because the way it is right now, it is plain. It has not it cannot attract or motivate the viewer. So we have to do something about that. And as you can see, I already point my finger somewhere there. It is because I want to put something there. So let's do this together. Okay, remember we are in canva.com, which is a website that allows us to create a thumbnail. We are creating a thumbnail. There's nothing else that we are doing here. So we have to go direct into this thing called element, and the element we need, okay, let me simply take this. Okay, this one, I click it and then I drop it there. So I can simply scale it, like make it look bigger, just like that. Okay, so I think it is already fine. So I have to right click to this and send it to back, this one. So as you can see, I already send it to the back of this I already send it to the back of the picture. So the thing that remains right now is me trying to put something there. I can change the color of this this image right here. So I can put it to something different from this, like this, okay, just like that. Or I can look for something which will look better from there. Okay, let me take a look at that. So how to monetize YouTube video. So here I will change this. Okay, let me simply go direct into dollar, because I need to put a dollar sign. I am trying to create how to monetize, so I will put this one, right click, and then what I'm going to do next is simply put it up there. All right, and if you click it like this, I can even rotate it like this. Okay, so there. So next move is we can change the background. This yellow background we can change to different stuff, but I'm not going to do that. So I can even add other things like money. All right, this is out. You can add a little bit something that will make it look attractive from there. And then here I'm going to increase the text side of this one, so I can increase it right like that. So I have to go to the font side and then change it to something that can look better. Okay, let's look for the right stuff right here. Not yet. Okay, right there. Okay, let's wait. Yep, I think this look better. This one look better, right? So there. And then the next move, we are going to put something right there again. I will call it a video, or put anything. All right, I can simply put that and put it right here. Okay, I want this I want it to look better. So next move is I will put a YouTube or something like any. You can add anything that can make your thumbnail stand out of the crowd. So we have to do this, and we can put it right here. Okay, now it look like it is nice things. So what you're gonna do next is simply to save it. So to save it, you go to share, or we say it export it. We go to download. We are going to download this thing. Click download, and then here we are going to choose. You can choose JPEG or PNG or PDF format or PD, or you can print it direct, right, if you want to. But here we don't have to do anything from there. All we gotta do is normally save this, not as a MP4. You can also make it as MP4, of course, but we don't need that. So all we need is JPEG or JPG, and then we click this. Now we can simply download the file. So now let's wait for it. so it will finish. Now it is already right there. We already save it on this place right here. Still, I will show you the next move, what you're going to do next. So what you're going to do next, you have to go to your YouTube, and like this, okay, like as you can see this one right there, there is I already put a thumbnail on that. So for me, I mean to show you guys what it means to make or create a good thumbnail. So we have this thing now. I can even change it if I want to. I go directly into show in folder, and then I can paste it right there. You can see that it already changed from the system right here, the one that we just create. So after you finish, you can simply save it. But here we don't have to change anything because it already has a thumbnail from there. All we gotta do is that we have to go back into the system right here, and then there you go. Okay, so what I can say right now is, if you are new to the channel, support me by subscribing, or simply maybe share it with friends if it will help them. So thank you for watching, and God bless you, and keep yourself for me. Bye bye.